What's up everybody, welcome back to an all-new episode of Conflicts. Today we'll be looking at the all-new Lamborghini Aventador SV by Best Choice Products. Now this here is a ride-on that gives you full control in terms of lights, sounds, even parental control, so the parent can go ahead and drive it while the child goes ahead and sits back and relax. Now this particular kit is a fully licensed Lamborghini kit, meaning it's actually the real deal. Now this is from bestchoiceproducts.com, so if you guys want your very own, be sure to check out the link down below in the description. Alright, so this is what you get. You get this giant box. Now it is quite heavy, so I do recommend two people carrying it. And yeah, I mean, you do have that nice Aventador display here on the front. I went with the white color, but they do have a variety of other colors as well. So let's go ahead and open it up and take a closer look. Check it out. All right, so this here is how it comes out. Now it does have the windshield already installed. Looks like we have to mount our spoiler and then put our wheels on. So it's got this plastic wrap. Let's go ahead and take this off. All right, so we have some bags. Looks like we have our rim set over here. I'm gonna open this up. We have ourselves a user manual, our mirrors, and a tool to go ahead and mount on our wheels. These here are hubcaps, so these are the official SV rims. Pretty cool looking, I like them a lot. And then below that, we have our power adapter. So this will go ahead and just be a plug and play kind of thing to go ahead and charge it. And then we have ourselves a chair. So this here, although it looks like it's two seats, it's actually just one. I'll take this out for right now. There you go. So the child will go ahead and sit here. And then it's almost like a safety harness. So you got that double harness right over there. So it just kind of goes around the shoulders and just plugs right between. Down here we have our wheels. So these here are the actual wheels. You actually see that they have a brake caliper. And then down here we have our steering wheel. So this here is our Lamborghini steering wheel. It does have a button to go ahead and honk, which is kind of cool. And lastly, we have our spoiler, which is our carbon fiber. Look at that, that's really cool. So it actually has this carbon fiber print throughout the body, so they definitely went a lot on the detail. I can even see like even the engine, it says V12. You got this nice looking lever. You got these LED gauges. The doors do open up like that. There we go. And it's even got a hydraulic. That is awesome. So we'll go ahead and open up on its own without any issues, and they'll kind of snap into place. Obviously we have our mirrors, but we also get this aux cable. So this aux cable, you can go ahead and plug in our phone and listen to music of our own as well, in addition to this pre-built music that's into it. And then this here is our steps, so pretty straightforward stuff. The most important thing that you're going to realize is going to be the battery, so you got to go ahead and plug that in. So we just go ahead and plug in our positive, just like this, and you're ready to roll. So with that being said, let's go ahead and build ourselves a Lamborghini and take a closer look at this thing. So our Lamborghini Aventador SV is finally done, and overall the build process wasn't too complicated. And then you have a few different things going on in terms of the car itself. So you have a power button here. Alright, so the lights automatically go on, but you do have a switcher to turn them off. So you have the tail lights and the headlights, both corresponded with that one button. You have a lever here to go ahead and move forward, reverse, and then of course stop. And then you have your radio, which includes a few different modes. So you just hit play, and then you can go ahead and listen to radio. Studio back. So, pretty cool. All right, and then in terms of the control mode, so you can hit left and turn left. If you hit right, it'll turn right. If you hit forward, it'll go forward. And you have the three different speeds. This here's the fastest. This is the slowest. And then it has an emergency brake, which you simply hit this and it'll automatically stop it on the dime. Now, other than that, I mean, both wheels do spin correspondingly, so it's not one-wheel drive, it's the rear wheel drive itself, which is really nice. And yeah, let's go ahead and do a little test run and see what my son Hamza thinks of it. All right, so we're here outside with Hamza. Are you ready? Yeah, you're ready. Look how nice this thing looks in the light. Okay, so first we gotta, oh, he's gonna show us the car. Look at the car. Whoa. All right, so we're gonna open the door, okay? Yeah, he likes it a lot. Okay, I'm gonna open the door for you, okay? So there's a button right here. And then I'll open it your side too.
Okay.
Okay, first you gotta get inside. Go inside. All right, sit down. Okay, now we gotta close the doors and then we gotta put your seatbelt on. Seatbelt. Yeah, he's driving it. How you like it, Hamza? You like it?
You having fun? Hamza, you having fun?
All right, we're gonna turn right.
Turn. Oh, whoa. Look forward.
What do you think? You like it? Yeah, you like it? I know, it's so cool. I mean, this thing looks crazy detailed. You can see the amount of information. Oh yeah, I mean, check out the inside. Look at all the buttons, Hamza. Yeah, look at the doors. It's so cool. But look at the buttons. So this will turn it on. This will change the lever. This is the headlights. Exactly. You can see the LED gauges. Look how crazy that is.
Oh, cute.
Yeah. All right. All right, well, there you guys have it. Hamza, you like it? Yeah? All right. Thank you once again to Best Choice Products for sending this over. And with that being said, we'll see you guys next time. Take care now. Bye-bye.